Let's just wind back 3 years ago, 4 years ago, when we had not climate-proofed our agriculture, when we had not come up with the agriculture and food systems transformation strategy. We couldn't produce enough because our agriculture was vulnerable to the vagaries of the weather. And our fortunes as a country were tied up to the weather. If we had enough rains, we would have a good harvest. If we didn't have enough rains, we would have hunger. So we then set up a climate proofing of agriculture strategy at 2 levels. First, climate proofing agriculture at household level through Pfumvudza Intwas. Then climate proofing at national level by accelerating irrigation development. We want the target 350,000 hectares. We are currently at 220,000 hectares or so. So climate change impacts agriculture negatively without these mitigation and adaptation measures that we have taken. And Zimbabwe is predicted to become drier in the decades ahead. So this is just at the technique level. You also climate-proof agriculture at the crops and varieties level. So we have now promoted traditional grains. In the first two seasons of the Agriculture and Food Systems Transformation Strategy, we even were paying traditional grains higher than maize in order to motivate farmers to produce more traditional grains. Now we've called it agroecological tailoring. What is produced by a grower in an agroecological region must be determined by the exigencies of that agroecological region and not what the farmer wants. Equally, what government supports in an agroecological region is determined by the agroecological region, not what government wants. This has assisted us to see the area under traditional grains to grow. So that is the impact mitigation that we've undertaken in response to the climate change issues.